Aubrey, you're an experienced player, but this is the first time in Italy.
Yeah.
How do you think, how much time will it take for you to adapt to the new league?
I don't really know. It's just basketball at the end of the day, and give me a few games, and I think I'll figure it out. But I'm looking forward to it. I know great things about this league and the great teams that are in it, so I know it'll be fun, and I'm looking forward to the adjustment.
How do you like so far the city and the new team that it's been built?
Love it, love it. The cities, it's nice and chill, just like me. The team is obviously great. Teammates are great. We're all having fun, kind of getting adjusted, getting to know each other. So it's all just great things going on right now. I'm really enjoying my process.
For those who don't know who Aubrey Dawkins is, what do you think it describes you the most?
Shooting and dunks, I guess. Yeah, just a couple simple things, and just being a team player and just giving my all out there every night.
And as a person?
Just like a good guy. I like to explore the city and kind of delve into the culture a little bit. So I'm looking forward to all that, and hopefully I can get to know the people and the fans as well.
So we're going to expect many catch and shoot plays from you.
Probably,
and
yeah.
attacking the rim.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, sounds about right.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.